Welcome back. Now let's go ahead and dynamically enqueue our theme files like CSS file via functions.php. So I will open the functions.php file and first let me add the PHP tag around it. And what I'm going to do is let's write down, if we want some comment we can write it down. Otherwise let's go ahead and write down our function. So I will say function my theme. It's a good practice to always append or prefix your theme name before the functions that you are creating to avoid any conflict with WordPress its own functions. So here I will say my theme scripts enqueue, let's say enqueue, and this is the function. Next is we have to add this function as an action, so that WordPress can know that there's a new function. So I will say add action, and now this action takes few parameters, this function. So the first parameter is of course its own custom WP ENQUEUE. Don't make a spelling mistake. Underscore scripts, and then we have to in quotes give this name of the function. Perfect. So paste it like this. Next is inside this we have to enqueue our CSS file, which is the style.css. So let's go ahead and do that. So WP underscore enqueue NENQUEUE underscore style, and here we will load the style file. So we'll say style, the name, and then where the location will come from get style sheet directory. So get style sheet directory, style sheet URI, sorry, get the style sheet URI is the function. So you can read in about these functions get style sheet URI, WP enqueue style on Google in the documentation of WordPress developer WordPress org. But as I already know what they do, so what W this is doing is get style sheet URI. It's giving the path of this CSS style class, which means it gives the path of the root of our theme because that's where it is located. Okay, so now we have done this enqueue. If we go now to our theme and try to do refresh, nothing would happen. Reason is we haven't included our header dot header.php file in our front page.php. So let's do that, because now this enqueue is happening in the dynamically here, and that's where our CSS is getting loaded. But this file itself is not included in the front page. So let's go ahead and try to add it here. So here we'll say PHP get underscore header function will call, and similarly at the bottom we will load the footer. So here we will say footer PHP. Let me indent this little bit. So if I select all this here and press shift tab one more time, then I think it is looking better now. Yeah, this is much better. Save it, and if I go to the page now and refresh, perfect. So we see that our page has loaded perfectly without any issues or error, and our CSS file is also getting enqueued properly. So in the next video, we will try to enqueue our JavaScript files. So I will see you in the next video.